Well, it's that time to redo your resume. Well, I've looked at thousands of resumes and I've spoken with hundreds of hiring managers. And so here is the actual truth. A manager or recruiter will only look at it for a max of 30 seconds to answer 3 important questions. First, what did you do? An example would be, led a team of 8 sales leaders in the West. Where did you do it? Think location and call points like cath labs, wound care, HPG. And finally, how well did you do it? Your numbers, your accolades, rankings, and accomplishments. Be specific. Use data, not platitudes. There is a fourth. If you've moved roles in under 2 years, more than twice, that will be a question. So make sure you answer it up front. Keep it clean. Keep it simple. Make it easy to read, not visually stimulating. Remember, you have less than 30 seconds to answer 3 deep questions. Our mission is to improve lives by uniting great people with great companies. And I hope this has helped accomplish our mission.